Day trading live this morning, taking one trade, making over $200 on one simple resistance breakout. I'm gonna show you the entire trade live in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday morning. If you're new to the channel, you haven't already watched these videos before, it's a live trade coming up very soon. But do me one big favor. Leave a comment below talking about what stocks you traded today, what stocks you were watching, and then I like to look at those and be like, damn, he was looking at the right stock. I was looking at the wrong stock. So let's talk about what stocks you're trading, and do me one big favor, hit that like button. And now let's get into that live trade. Looking here at MDXG. MDXG selling off big this morning, down there 30%, but really kind of holding this area here, this 990 area, 970. So we'll see if this can hold and get back above $10. Might be an opportunity to kind of fill this gap here from the $10 area, maybe back up to that $11 area. Look at this. Look at the volume going through here. Got 550,000 shares traded, and this thing didn't move. It went from 980, maybe 10-cent move there. So crazy to see that. This thing this morning, someone's just been buying up in this 975 area, just buying tons of shares, buying. Looks like it's about to crack here. No shares, just short, but really some crazy volume and action on this thing this morning. Somebody just really buying it up. I mean, really, there was some massive volume going through, and the stock was not moving. Someone was just shorting it, and it was just getting bought up. Looking here at MDXG, possibly getting in there above $10. Look for this push higher here. Look for like a 1030 would be nice. See if we can get 1020 here with 500. So I got 1020, 500 there. Look for another push up to that 1050 area. Gonna take the rest there at 1014. Not really exploding like I wanted to. I wanted to really explode there. So you can see I got filled there at 1026. Got the rest there at 1014. There it goes. Now it's doing what I needed to do. Nice little pop there on MDXG above that $10 area. I got worried for a second because I did buy a little bit early. I didn't wait for the full break over $10 because I thought this might just explode like it did. So it went from $10 up there to 1033. And you can see there taking down $200 in profit. And here it goes. Look at that big buyer step up there once again. Should have held this one for that 1050 push right there at that $10 area multiple times. It pulled down here to 875 actually. So we were talking about it earlier. It pulled down there to 875 and then exploded back up there. So from 875 back up there to $10. Once it started hitting on that $10 area, I was pretty sure that if this broke over $10, we'd get a nice little push. I was hoping for that 1050 push. You can see it got up there to 1040 now, so it's moving. But either way, I'm still happy getting filled there. 1026, 1014, still not a bad trade. This thing has been all over the place. Wasn't too thrilled about holding it for too long. I'm happy with $200. This morning's kind of a slow morning so far overall. Just not much going on. A couple stocks moving around, but nothing looking too hot right now. I really didn't have a plan. So that was one issue this morning. I really didn't have a plan other than I was watching MDXG. Nothing really looked that good pre-market for me. I wasn't really in love with anything. So I was telling myself I was really going to wait kind of for a good setup here. And MDXG ended up being that setup that I needed. So MDXG breaking out above that $10, up there to 1033 on that candle. High after that was 1040. It's 945. Been trading for 15 minutes. I'm pretty happy with that. I told myself this morning that I really just wanted to continue focusing on waiting for good setups. This MDXG trade, I kept watching it, telling myself, oh, I want to buy the dip here. I want to buy the dip. I want to buy the dip. This thing's going to rip. But then I told myself, no, just wait. Wait for we get a clear area. That $10 area was a clear kind of resistance area. Thinking we break over $10, we get a nice little push. And that's exactly what we got. We got 1040, which is pretty damn close to 1050. That's still a 40-cent move there over that $10 break. And it worked out pretty nicely there. MDXG pulling back down here to the $10 now. Let's see if that $10 area is going to act as support or it's going to crack and this thing's going to head back down from there. Got 5 million shares traded. This thing is down from the $14 area down there to MDXG pulling down there pretty hard this morning. There was news that they were postponing their their earnings report. And look at it now. Bouncing back there. You got to always be looking for opportunity here. There was no shares just short this morning. So I really wasn't looking for a short opportunity. I was more just looking at like maybe this thing could could get moving if it wanted to find some buyers, maybe fill this gap up to that $11 area. We'll see later on. It might fill that gap to the $11 area here on MDXG. You never know, but like I said, I think I'm going to be done for the day. I've got a bunch of work I got to do. I've been slacking. I just haven't felt that motivated in terms of video editing and making videos. I don't know why, but I need to get back into the swing of things. DCAR also moving around this morning from that 325 area up there to 380, pulling back down there. But look at all the tops of these candles. A lot of selling pressure on the tops of these candles. It's like literally just sell, sell, sell there on the tops of these candles. I was thinking this might break over $4. Maybe it does. I'm going to stay away from it. I'm going to be happy with my $200 profit today. I'm going to walk away there and go work on some other videos I need to do today and just get the day started here and not get stuck over trading or trying to force these trades. Do me one big favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys later on.